In this tutorial video, you will learn how to determine the visibility hierarchy of layers. When clicking the Move Up option in the upper button group of the layer box, the desired layer data is moved up. Clicking the Move Down option moves the desired layer data to the down. The layer hierarchy can also be changed by holding the layer with the mouse and dragging it up or down. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.